A reset can resolve various issues like audio dropouts, Bluetooth connection problems, subwoofer syncing failures, and general performance glitches. It's a quick fix, returning the soundbar to its original factory settings, often resolving software conflicts or corrupted settings. To perform a factory reset on your Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000, start by powering on the soundbar. Power on the soundbar using the power button. Simultaneously press and hold the volume down button and the input button for 10 seconds. The LED lights will flash red, indicating the reset is in progress. Once the lights flash red, release the buttons. The unit will then reboot, restoring factory settings. This clears Bluetooth pairings and custom audio settings. If your subwoofer loses connection, place it close to the soundbar for the best signal. On the soundbar, press and hold the subwoofer button located on the rear panel or remote for 3 to 5 seconds until the pairing LED starts blinking. The subwoofer should then auto-connect wirelessly via the proprietary 2.4 GHz protocol. For manual syncing, download the Polk app on iOS or Android devices. If you're experiencing no sound, first check the HDMI ARC settings on your TV. Next, ensure the soundbar is set to the correct HDMI input. Try resetting the audio output in your TV's settings menu. Faulty or loose cables can cause issues, so make sure to check them. Bluetooth connection drops often occur due to interference from Wi-Fi routers. Try moving the soundbar to a different location away from routers to minimize this issue. Updating the soundbar's firmware can significantly improve Bluetooth stability. Download the latest firmware from the Polk Audio website. Connect a USB drive containing the firmware to the soundbar's USB port. Follow the on-screen prompts on the soundbar or connected TV to complete the installation. If your subwoofer isn't responding, start by checking its power connection. Ensure the subwoofer is plugged in properly. Look for a solid blue LED light on the front. If the LED is not solid blue, the power connection may be the issue. Next, try unplugging the subwoofer from the power source for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This can reset the connection. If unplugging doesn't work, perform a factory reset on both the soundbar and the subwoofer to restore default settings. If the remote isn't working, start by replacing the batteries. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the soundbar. For hidden setups, consider using an IR extender. Audio lag or latency creates a delay between visual actions and sound, which can disrupt gaming experiences. This happens as audio data travels through processing stages in the system. To fix this, enable game mode on the soundbar. This setting reduces processing delays for lower latency. With game mode enabled, your Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 provides synchronized audio for an improved gaming experience.